Hi, good morning everyone. In last session, we are discussing about basic installation steps. After that, basic definitions of database, uh, table, and what is SQL and what is MySQL. Everything we discussed in last session. In this session, we can go through with the what are the types of commands we have in MySQL. Overview we can discussing today, and basic one query we can write in SQL workbench. As per today's agenda, just go through about the SQL commands. Total we have categorized into 5 categories in SQL commands. Those are divided into DDL commands, DML commands, DCL commands, TCL commands, and DQL commands. What is DDL? DDL means DDL stands for data definition language. These commands mainly used to create the structure of the database and tables, to alter the table, drop the table, rename the table, create the table. All these kind of activities we are doing with the DDL commands. Those are create, drop, alert, truncate, and rename. By using these commands, we can define the structure of the table. Got my point? Then next, DML commands, data manipulation language. DML in the sense data DML stands for data definition language. Means the mainly to manipulate the data of the table, we can use data manipulation language, DML commands, to insert the data, update the data in from the existing table, and delete the few rows and columns of the table. The manipulation part, everything we can do by using data manipulation queries or commands. And DCL commands. DCL stands for data control language. DCL stands for data control language. Control language. Mainly these commands used by DB admins. For example, we have multiple users. They are accessing our database. Few users having insert privileges, delete privileges, few are not having. At the time of moment, we can request the ticket to DB admins to grant the permission. After completion of our task, we can say to admin revoke permission. They will do this kind of activities. DB admins. These commands used by most of times DB admins only. The next one is TCL commands, means transaction control language. TCL stands for transaction control language. Control transaction control language. These commands mainly we can use to save. Commit means after run the query, we need to permanent save purpose, we can use commit. Save point in the sense we can we have a 1000 lines of queries in the same page. At the time of every stage we can use a save point for debugging purpose. In case any error we can get at the time of moment, we can revoke that particular and rollback that particular part of the query. This we can understand when we do that practically. You can understand easily. Just now we can listen the what the purpose of transaction control language. If you everything we after running query, some few are we are unable to go forward to save the data. At the time of moment, we can roll back the entire queries updation. These are all about saving and rollback concept. This concept we can discuss practically, then only you can understand clearly. And DQL commands. Finally, is DQL commands. DQL command is a select query. Most probably data query, we can call it as data query language. To fetch the data according to your requirement, you can use the select query. We have multiple functions, operators, clauses, everything we can, the add-ons we can get here using with all these main commands. But basic structure commands are these only: DDL, DML, DCL, TCL commands and DQL commands. By using all these three, we can do the all kind of CRUD operations. DQL stands for data query language. These are the main theory part of the commands. In upcoming classes, each and every command we can clearly discussing overview. After that, we have one database. I can share you the database details as well. You can install in your local system and do the all the real-time activities by giving question wise information. Right now I can write the basic create command. Just open the SQL terminal, my workbench, and click on your saving credentials and enter the credentials. Just create command I am using here. Create. Here we are having a different kind of databases schemas in the schema session. This is administration and schemas. You have seen the different kind of databases here. I am creating one database. Create database, and database name is school. School is the database, and just run the query. It is created. Create database school database. If you want to see here in the list of the schemas, just refresh it. You can see the school database here. Later you can create one by one. If you want to create the table inside the database, you must use the database first, then only you can create the corresponding tables inside the database. Just run it. You can see the database is highlighted here. It means now we are using the database. that much from today. From tomorrow onwards we can start doing the all the commands with practically. Then next, if you have any doubts, just ping on the comment section. I can reply as soon as possible. Thank you very much.